The CM117-SBH long-arm extension windshield suction car mounting pedestal can be used as a replacement or upgrade to a current Arkon mount pedestal. It is compatible with Arkon's universal smartphone and tablet holders, sold separately, including the Slim Grip Ultra Universal Smartphone and Midsize Tablet Holder, SM060-2, Slim Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, SM050-2, Slim Grip Universal Tablet Holder, TAB001, and Mega Grip Universal Smartphone Holder, SM040-2. This mount package includes only Arkon's rigid long extension windshield suction pedestal with telescoping arm, holders sold separately. The suction pedestal installs easily to the windshield. Simply hold the base against the mounting area and push down on the one-touch lever. The sturdy telescopic arm of the pedestal extends from 14.5 inches to 18.5 inches, keeping the smartphone or midsize tablet within easy reach. For complete mount solutions, Arkon recommends the Universal Tablet Windshield Suction Extension Mount, TAB CM117, for mounting a large tablet, or the Rigid Extension Windshield Suction Mount with Telescoping Arm, SM6 CM117, for mounting smartphones and midsize tablets. Both products are available on Amazon. Top reviews from the United States. Well constructed. This replacement is built to last. The previous arm I am replacing this with was accidentally ran over by my car. Other than that, it will still be with me.